I built this whole platformer with AI. No code, no copy-paste. The secret isn't the chat, it's the context. Before I ask for anything, I set it up once, as a tree. Who the AI is, the rules, the engine, how it draws art. Each branch is one idea, written once, and from now on, it's just known. And there it is, the whole thing in place. Now I just talk to it, like any chat. I ask for the project, a scrolling world, a ground. It writes the files. The game's about to show up on the right. Look what it pulled in for this one task. Exactly these 7 pieces of context, and nothing else. And every step after pulls only its own slice. Ask for the art, it loads the pixel art rule. Tune the jump, it loads the physics. It's not magic. The character sinks into the floor. I just say so in plain English and it's fixed. Sprites in code, a snappy jump, a walking enemy, a shell that ricochets. Coins, a score, a power-up that makes you big and smashes bricks. Animations and a flag at the end. And here's the whole build. One root, every idea branching off it. And here is the all game built entirely by AI in my editor. Lacis, free on the VS Code Marketplace, link below.